Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia Z5 Premium, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's open the dialer, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be on the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner. Basically you can also enter these options using the contacts directly. Okay, so here we have to enter the settings. And as you can see at the very bottom of the list, we've got a block numbers option. So let's enter, and this is actually our blacklist. All we have to do in order to add the number to this list is to simply tap on this option. And in this model, we've got only the option to manually enter the number. So for example, we cannot block a number using our contact list, directly our contact list. So you will have to enter the number which you'd like to block here and tap on block. And as you can see, it actually immediately appears on the blacklist, which means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from the number. And of course you can unblock it the same way, maybe not the same way, but very simply just tap on this this X button right next to the number and simply confirm it with unblock. As you can see, it will immediately disappear from the blacklist, which means obviously that you will receive incoming calls and text messages from the number. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your SONY Xperia Z5 Premium. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.